Hello, it's another great day for optimal health. Let's continue with the top 3 nutrients not talked about very much. The second nutrient is CoQ10. Every single cell in the body uses this spark plug nutrient to ignite the cellular energy needed for each and every cell to do its job. Although CoQ10 is present in every cell and tissue, it is concentrated most in the heart because the heart requires a constant energy flow to keep it beating and keep us alive. It's very important to understand that the body doesn't use CoQ10 in the ubiquinone form, although that is the main form of CoQ10 that most people buy. Look on it, it says ubiquinone. The body actually breaks down or reduces the ubiquinone to something called ubiquinol. It's ubiquinol that is then utilized by the cells of the body. If the body is under stress, it's hard to create this conversion. CoQ10 is fat-soluble, and therefore it's absorbed with fats in our diet, like vitamin D. Other places that CoQ10 is concentrated in the body are the places that have high metabolic activity. They include the heart, but also the muscles, the liver, the kidneys, and the brain. CoQ10's primary function is to produce cellular energy to keep the body efficient, healthy, and immune from disease. Because of this, CoQ10 is also a very powerful antioxidant. There's a ton of studies showing the documented benefits with CoQ10. Cardiovascular disease. CoQ10 protects LDL fats from oxidizing, which helps prevent heart disease. CoQ10 levels have also been shown to be low in the majority of heart failures. Neurodegenerative diseases, including Huntington's, Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and even Lou Gehrig's disease, show a need for more vitamin D. Neuromuscular diseases such as muscular dystrophy, diabetes, cancer, asthma, migraines, and immune disorders, HIV, AIDS, even periodontal disease and chronic fatigue syndrome, and male infertility. All of these have been linked to low CoQ10 levels. So what amounts are recommended? Because CoQ10 is absorbed and utilized 8 times better when you use a ubiquinol form, you actually only need a small amount. About 15 milligrams of ubiquinol gives you the same benefits of 120 milligrams of the ubiquinone form that's sold mainly on the market today. So look for the right form, and that second nutrient is CoQ10. So we have vitamin D, CoQ10, and the third nutrient needing more attention is vitamin K2. And it's going to take the industry by storm. The function of K vitamins is unique. It's unique among all other vitamins. They're mainly known in the past for blood clotting activity, but that's vitamin K, not vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 is needed to help utilize calcium in order to build healthy, strong bones and to inhibit calcium deposits in the arteries, and that one's critical. Vitamin K works by activating certain proteins in the body to bind calcium to the surface of the bones, and they inhibit calcium deposits in the arteries. That's the key factor, is inhibiting that buildup in the arteries. Inadequate vitamin D may result in what's known as calcium paradox, where too little calcium results in the weakness of bones, while excess calcium accumulates in the arteries, making them stiff and inelastic. So what do? Bones need more, but yet you have too much buildup. Vitamin K is essential to properly utilize calcium in the body. The majority of healthy people are vitamin K deficient, as we know now, but we need it to be in the right form. The right form of vitamin K2 is called MK7. I know that can be confusing, but with vitamin K2 as MK7, we only need small amounts, about 45 micrograms a day. And it's real hard to actually get the amount needed in the diet. Take a look at this chart and you'll see that it takes a tremendous amount of foods that a lot of people actually try to stay away from in order to get that amount. For tissues other than the liver, the significant source of vitamin K in the diet is menaquinones, or vitamin K2. And so we want to make sure that we're getting enough of this vitamin K2 in the right form in our body. And if we do, we can help send the calcium to the right place, get it out of the arteries causing the blockage and the stiffness, and get it to the bones really where it belongs. So there's the 3 nutrients. Vitamin D, studies showing that you live 7% longer if your vitamin D level's up. CoQ10 that is needed for the heart and cardiovascular system, and the new K2. Well, what's exciting is they all work synergistically, and they all actually become depleted as we age past the age of 20. They're found in almost every tissue in the body, or they're ubiquitous, if you would. And they all play a profound role in cardiovascular health, muscle strength, viability, including the heart, and bone health. And all three are extremely beneficial for overall longevity and a high quality of life. So instead of taking them individually or in synthetic forms like most vitamin D and CoQ10 and K2s are, you now have the ability to supplement with whole food nutrients assembled together in the most absorbable and usable way in one formula. We want to introduce you to Longevi-D K2. It's widely being accepted as the first and only high-potency whole food vitamin D product with the most absorbable and usable form of CoQ10, the ubiquinol, and the fermented K2 in the MK7 form. It is a must-have for many conditions, and it comes in the high potency per capsule of 2,000 IUs of whole food vitamin D, equaling 500% of the RDA, 15 milligrams of ubiquinol, which is equivalent to 120 milligrams of CoQ10, and now 60 micrograms in each capsule of K2 as MK7, making it the highest potency whole food formula for these three nutrients available. We are so excited about this formula and its advantages to individuals and in the clinic. And if you want to take advantage of these three powerful nutrients in one formula, Longevi-D K2 is for you. Have a healthy day.